Let's move to our last topic of the day, that is data shadowing and data hiding. What is data shadowing? Data shadowing is basically a concept says if class level data member and methods local variable having same name means the same shadow of class level data member will be there inside the method, then priority will be goes to local variable and local variable is going to be accessed in that case. Let's understand this with an example. In this example, we are having a class level variable with the name of x and same shadow, same name of variable is there inside the method as well, x. Now x is holding 20 and this class level instance data member is holding 10. Now if I print x inside the method, by default it will give the priority to the local variable because both are having same name, and this local variable is going to be accessed when I'll call display method here. You can see I'm getting 20 there. Okay, and that is what data shadowing is. Now if you want to access class level data member, in that case how you can access it? So to access class level data members you need to use one keyword called this. If I'll say this dot x, then I'll be able to access class level data member. How this is allowing me to access class level data member? Because this is a keyword which hold the current class object reference, which means when I'm saying this dot x, I'm actually accessing this x by using my class current class object reference. And because this is instance data member and this is take place inside the object, that means I can access that x by using object reference, and this is nothing but object reference, and that's why I'm able to access this x by using object reference. So if you have data shadowing situation, you just need to use this keyword to access class level data members. I can show you one more example of it. This is something more real-time example. We did same type of implementations earlier as well. I have employee class here where I am having employee name and salary, and this time I am taking the same name of formal arguments here. Okay, now because I have the same name of formal argument, and if I'll assign ename to ename, and if I'll just simply say ename is equal to ename and salary is equal to salary, then what is going to be happen? This actual argument value comes to this ename and salary, and because this ename is same as class level ename, that means priority goes to local variable. That means everywhere inside the method directly the local variable ename is going to be assigned, which means that if I assign this ename value to ename again, that means the value will be remain there in the same container. You are taking money from your pocket and then again putting in the same pocket. That is the same thing here happening. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to assign this value to class level data member, and in order to do that you have to access class level data member. How to access class level data member? In that case you need to use this keyword to access class level data members in case of data shadowing. That's what I explained you. So I'm using this time here to assigning local variable value to class level data members, and then it will be fine. When I'll assign the values, these values will move from here to there. And that's why what I have explained you in local variable definition, that local variables are used to access class level data members here and assign the value to them. So this is something assigning and accessing these variables and making changes there. Now let's move to our last concept, which is data hiding. Data hiding is quite similar to data shadowing. If your parent class data member and your child class data members having same name, then priority will goes to child class data member. That means that is going to be directly accessed. But in that case, if you want to access parent class data member, how you will be able to access them? For that, we have again another keyword, that is super keyword. You can see this example. For this I have a base class having x data member, and I have a child which is a child of base class having again x data member with the same name of variable basically. So in that case priority will goes to the local variable. What I am doing, I am additionally implementing data shadowing as well. So this implementation is containing data shadowing as well as data hiding, because this is parent having x, this is child having same name of variable, this is nothing but data hiding, and because this is x and this is also x, this is data shadowing. Now in that case priority will be goes to local variable first. If you want to access class level variable, you will use this keyword to access class level data member. And if you want to access parent class data member, then you need to use super keyword. So super is used to avoid data hiding situation, and this keyword is used to access class level data members in case of data shadowing situation.